Now we will understand how to verify the refund of general insurance premium paid. How to verify the refund of general insurance paid. General insurance premium paid. First of all, we have to understand what is this general insurance premium. For those who don't know, okay. For example, we take a life policy. We take a life insurance policy for ourselves, okay, for an individual, okay. So you have to pay premium on annual basis or whatever is specified on the contract or policy. So you have taken life insurance for 10 years and you suppose you pay premium annually. Now what is this refund of general insurance premium paid? Who gives you the refund? What is the purpose of refund? We will understand this. So the client pays premium to the insurance company till the maturity date, that is 10 years. On the 10th year, the amount becomes due and the insurance company gives you the amount assured to you, okay, with interest. Now we will understand what is refund, why the company gives you the refund. Look, we are paying premium to the insurance company annually. Now what happens that due to some emergency, due to your ability to pay, some people cancels this policy. So if an individual cancels, if the client cancels the policy or wants to cancel the policy, the general insurance company or insurance company refunds this amount to the client, refunds the amount he has given till now, okay, to the client. So, or another reason for refund could be that client has paid the premium in advance, like for this is the first year of paying the premium by the client to the insurance company. Now what the client thinks, okay, I have enough money this year, I can also pay for the second year. So client pays premium for 2 years. So the provisional payment of premium for the second year is paid on the first year only, on the first year only. So this is the earlier provision payment of premium. So this is also the reason for refund of general insurance premium. Now what the auditor has to do? Auditor should take the following step while vouching such refunds. Okay, you are being an auditor, you have to vouch. What are the steps to be followed? There are total in 5 points. 5 points. First is basic. First is the basic reason. You have to, being an auditor, you have to ascertain the reasons for refund of insurance premium. Why the company is refunding the amount to the client. You have to ascertain the reason first of all. Then second, you have to see the documents. You have to see the insurance policy, cover note to find out what. Why do you need to see the insurance policy, the documents? To see the amount of premium, amount of sum assured, okay, date, maturity date, okay. This was the second point. Now third is verify the advice of refund received from the insurance company. Actually this advice of refund is nothing but a proof from the insurance company's side. This will be the evidence as a covering letter to the check for the refund, okay. So when refund is admitted, the insurance company sends the advice. Now the fourth point is you have to, being an auditor, you have to scrutinize. Scrutinize means examine. Scrutinize mean examine. Now being an auditor, you have to examine the correspondence between the insurance company and the client. Correspondence means connection. Okay, being an auditor, you have to understand the connection between the insurance company and the client. Okay, now fifth point is check the entries in the bank book, which is the basic thing. Okay, being an auditor, you have to check the entries in the bank book or bank statement. If necessary, the counterfoil of the paying slip can also be verified. Okay, that's it.